Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best turtle tanks is probably one of the most important investments you'll make for your pet turtle, ensuring their health, happiness, and longevity. Selecting the right tank involves careful consideration of size, materials, filtration, heating, lighting, and accessories to create a thriving aquatic or semi-aquatic environment tailored to your turtle's specific needs and species, significantly impacting their quality of life and lifespan. Number 5. Geegoods Turtle Tank. It's the perfect home for your small turtle or reptile. It offers a spacious and engaging environment for them to thrive in. This innovative design includes separate areas for basking, swimming, feeding, and more. Watch your pet explore and enjoy their new habitat. It's made from durable, high-quality PP material, able to withstand significant weight and daily wear and tear. You can rest assured it's built to last. With dimensions of 15.8 by 9.7 by 5.2 inches, it's ideal for small turtles, terrapins, and other small reptiles. It holds 5 gallons of water. The package includes the tank, a plastic tree, and a fishing net. Everything you need to get started is right here. Please note that the lamp and filter are not included in this package. But it's easy to add those separately. What we like. It has multiple areas for different turtle needs, is made of durable and safe material, and has a good size for small turtles. If you are looking for a budget-friendly option with a good balance of features for your small turtle, this is a great choice. It's perfect for beginners who want a functional and affordable setup. What people say. This is perfect for the little guys, they seem to love it. The turtle aquarium has some useful features, like distinct areas for basking, crawling, and swimming. Bune material, resistant, espacio-sufficient. Number 4. Acrylic Turtle Tank. It features 5 durable, anti-scratch zones for basking, feeding, and swimming. The thick acrylic walls protect it from scratches while keeping land and water areas separate. The 3-layer filtration system uses scratch-resistant trays. Waste sinks to the bottom, and the filter keeps the water clean without getting damaged. The adjustable pump has silicone-coated parts to prevent scratching. It comes with a 5V1A adapter and a long, tangle-free cord for safe placement. It's made with 30% thicker scratch-resistant acrylic than standard tanks. The quick-change drainage system reduces water waste and resists damage. It comes with a 1-year anti-scratch warranty. We'll replace any scratched or damaged parts for free, just send photos. A protective film covers it to prevent damage during shipping. Please remove this film after receiving it to enjoy the clear view. What we like. This tank is designed to withstand even the most enthusiastic chewers, has a great filtration system, and is made of thick acrylic. If you have a turtle that's hard on its tank, or if you want a tank that will last a long time, this is the one for you. Its superior scratch resistance makes it a worthwhile investment for the long term. What people say. He seemed to enjoy it, always moving around. Easy to put together, the waterfall was cute. Any turtle would treasure this well-planned and prepared turtle house. It has a tub, a grazing area, areas to dry off and observe the action around the outside. It has planned for easy maintenance and cleaning and is easy to assemble. Beautiful home for turtles and easy to clean. Number 3. Kathson Turtle Tank. This innovative turtle habitat provides everything your turtle needs to thrive. It's designed with multiple areas for swimming, basking, and resting, ensuring your pet's comfort and well-being. It features a swimming area, a ramp, a basking platform, a feeding area, and a resting spot. This thoughtful design caters to all of your turtle's natural behaviors. Made from food-grade PP plastic, it's strong, non-toxic, and easy to clean. You can rest assured that it's a safe and healthy environment for your pet. The secure lid prevents escapes, keeping your turtle safely inside its habitat. Enjoy peace of mind knowing your pet is contained. It provides ample space for swimming, basking, eating, and even laying eggs. This is the ideal home for your turtle to flourish. Measuring approximately 16.9 by 11.8 by 6.3 inches, it's suitable for various reptiles, including turtles, spiders, snakes, and lizards. It's the perfect size for your reptile. What we like. It offers various zones for your turtle's activities and is made from a safe, durable material. The lid prevents escapes, ensuring your turtle stays safely inside. If you need a secure and functional home for your turtle, and worry about your turtle escaping, this is a great option for you. What people say. It's beautiful, good size, love the material. Turns out this turtle carrier is the perfect size for my granddaughter's tiny turtle. Lease has air vents. I love this for my turtle. Nice and bigger than the one it had before. On top of that it has a lid with holes and my turtle won't be harmed. Number 2. Tetra Turtle Deluxe Kit. This kit provides everything your turtle needs to thrive. It includes a spacious 20-gallon tank, a filter, and a basking area. The decorative filter creates a beautiful waterfall while keeping the water clean. It uses a 3-stage filtration system for optimal results. Integrated dome lamps provide essential warmth and a perfect basking spot for your turtle. They're built right into the screen top for convenience. It even comes with food and water care samples to get you started. Everything is included for a stress-free setup. This aquarium is 30 inches wide, 12 inches deep, and 12 inches tall, ideal for your aquatic turtle. It's suitable for turtles of all ages. Give your turtle the best home possible with the Tetra Aquatic Turtle Deluxe Kit. It's the complete solution for happy, healthy turtles. What we like. It's a complete setup, including a filter, heating lamp, and other essentials. It's spacious enough for larger turtles and comes with everything you need to get started. If you want a convenient all-in-one solution for your turtle, this is a great choice for you. What people say. It came with everything I needed to set up a comfortable home for my new turtle, perfect for beginners like me. The 20-gallon tank is a good size for a young turtle and looks great. It's sturdy and easy to clean. The included water filter does a decent job of keeping the water clean. This setup for aquatic turtles is perfect. It is large enough to let them swim and bask all they want. The bridge is a really nice basking platform. The filter is really great. Comes with case filter, basking platform, a few plants, turtle food, heat lamp and UV lamp, mesh cover. Quality tank with what you need to get started. Number 1. Zeno Turtle Aquarium Kit. Starting your turtle's journey? This complete kit has everything you need: filter, basking platform, and a heating lamp. It's perfect for young turtles. Setting up this turtle habitat is a breeze. Personalize it with decorations to make it feel like home for your little one. Unleash your creativity. Keeping it clean is simple. The efficient filter keeps the water crystal clear, and the glass panels make cleaning quick and easy, ensuring a healthy environment. With ample space for swimming, basking, and climbing, it promotes natural behaviors and healthy exercise. Your turtle will love it. Built with safety in mind, the sturdy structure and secure heating lamp design keep your turtle safe and sound. The strong glass panels can handle even the most energetic turtles. What we like. It's a complete starter kit, easy to clean, and provides enough space for your turtle to thrive. If you're a beginner and want a simple yet effective setup for your baby turtle, this is perfect for you. It's designed for ease of use and maintenance. What people say. Quality pieces. Water filter works like a champ. The Zeno Turtle Tank Kit is sturdy, attractive, and versatile. It was well packaged, and all the components were intact. Nothing was damaged, and I liked how easy it was to get everything out of the box without any mess. The tank includes everything needed to create a healthy environment for your turtle, including a filter with cartridges, an adjustable basking platform, and a heating lamp. The filter does a good job of keeping the water clear, and it's quiet. The basking platform provides a cool place for the turtle to rest under the heat lamp. It's also adjustable, so you can customize the setup as your turtle grows. The aquarium feels sturdy. The glass panels are thick enough to provide a solid, long-lasting structure. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.